Hello guys, so here we have another video on the series Unconventional Objects I didn't know I could use for mark making. And so I have this which was from my son, just a piece of one of his toys. And so you will see it in a minute because here I'm out of the camera, but here you go. So I am just using acrylic paint and I have mixed magenta and white. And so I am just making some marks on the jelly plate, and I like it a lot. I mean, it's not super clear the impression, but I absolutely love because what I want is just a random pattern on the page. And I will be using some little scraps, parts of other projects that I have on my studio just to test out the pattern that I can get. And I absolutely love it. Even more, I like more the second impression where you have even more random marks. I absolutely love the mark you get. And so now I thought to build another layer and create like a pattern. So I am just moving the paper to have the perpendicular mark. So like creating squares there. And I will be using the brayer to move a little the paint because we have here like a blob of paint that I don't like too much, but with the brayer we can move the paint. And I found that this little piece that I can use for hanging the piece, it's very useful. And so here we are just testing different marks. So yeah, absolutely love it. I will be using it for other pieces for sure. So this is all for this week. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel and see you next time, guys. Bye.